I grew up here in Virginia. My father had a garden center and he taught me how to arrange. So I was able to confidently move into wedding and event work, and that's how it all began. It's a seed that takes root, and whether you're growing or whether you're designing, we understand in a way that no one else possibly can how hard this work is. I knew there were things that needed to be created to make this industry better and to make things easier for floral and event designers. I knew that that relationship that I had developed with Syndicate was absolutely the place to go. When we all come together, we're able to make it better and make this career have possibly a better future for all of us.